opportunity to see how well the Flex Seal held up on the bottom of that boat. You know, I put it on here and it has a rubbery feel to it. And like I mentioned before, you're going to drag a boat some way or another like this, getting it in and out of the water. And I was curious whether that Flex Seal stuff would just peel right off of there when you drag it. So, oh, what I'm going to do now is actually sort of tumble it off of the trailer. Oh, I'm not doing a very good job of not making a mess here. Sorry. Tumble it off the trailer upside down so I can see the bottom of it. And I need to get rid of this old air compressor. Let's just set it out here now. That way it will be in my tumble space. Oh, and I got some things in here. I got a couple rod and reels, my paddle, and an anchor. Things like that I can pull out of here. I also want to lubricate these reels. I went and bought some special oil to lubricate the reels with. I'll do that too. I love having all this fishing slash boating slash lake related stuff to be messing with. That's kind of fun. Kind of fun. That's kind of fun I like to have. Oh. Yeah. I didn't need my straps. I didn't need my sideboard pieces. I'll set them all over here. Take this anchor out here. I've got a piece of rope tied onto this trailer. I also don't have any handles on the back of this, and I like to have a couple. I tied some rope to it, but I'm not sure that's the very best handle setup possible. Maybe clipping it right over on the trailer itself. That might not be a bad idea. Start having a look at that bottom. Do that. I will also empty out. I'll show you where this is leaking. When I put this in the water, the first thing I see is a little water right in here. So that means that it's coming in probably right here. And so I'm going to want to look at this right here and see what we got. And I can already see some of that rubber stuff dangling, which is kind of telling me that I'm not going to be satisfied with that as a bottom coat. But my thinking is I might can put some of that seal on the inside and stop the water. Because I didn't just use the Flex Seal. I had some other marine boat seal and paint that I put on also. The Flex Seal was just a little overkill, and it was also, I don't know, everybody kept saying, put some Flex Seal, put some Flex Seal, put some Flex Seal. Everybody put it on there, put it on there. So I did. So it may be that it wasn't the best thing to do. We won't know yet, but we will soon. Stay tuned. Flip them over. One second. Oh yeah, see where it's not, see where it's gone? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Places like this, where it's not there anymore. So, yeah, it's just useless, totally useless. So that stuff is expensive, and that was a total waste of money for me to put it at the bottom of the boat. So let that be a lesson to you boys and girls. Don't spend your money on Flex Seal if you're going to put it on the bottom of the boat. It won't fix your problems. You'll still have your problems. It feels off. Okay? What is still on here though is that original coating put on this, it stayed, and it worked. I get my camera. This thing tangled up under the seat or something here. I might have to just roll it off here. Looks like we got company. Oh, enjoy.